Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we will be looking at your energies starting from 15th till 21st of November. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take as it resonates. Okay, this is not your story. Do not try to make it yours. In this video we'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. Okay, so let's see what's there for my Sagittarius. What's going on with my Sagittarius, please? Sagittarius. To book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign, 15th till 21st of November 2021. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign, Sagittarius. At the back of the deck we have the Four of Cups. So this is your overall energy right now. So this is a place where you are feeling a little bit of okay, so well, I do not go with the energies, but I am definitely going to take some cards for you. Okay, so your overall energy is quite not good right now. You might be feeling that either you are you are dealing with some missed opportunities right now. You are not able to fully focus on something which is actually important to you. It could be your love thing, it could be your money, work, anything. You are feeling lost. You are feeling that you need to go through some situation again and again. You are perceiving into something in a new direction. You are really either you are so much loaded with a lot of responsibilities, or there's a lot of weightage on you because of something. But this is definitely not a situation how a person should feel right now. So yeah, you're really working on something, like moving on from a particular situation. You are working for that, but at the same time you are feeling little lost. We will clarify more in detail. In the past we have 10 of Pentacles, 6 of Wands and Ace of Cups. Sorry, Ace of Pentacles. It really seems over here that you were at a position where there was a new love thing, or there was a new job. There was a lot of abundance which came towards you in the past. Like all of a sudden a lot of money came towards you. There could be something like a promotion or new job or appreciation into something. People started to take your name so high and everything like that. But now this was in the past energy. At present you are having the cards are 9 of Wands, 5 of Wands and King of Swords. So you are quite in a blocked energy all of a sudden. Like something big happened in your life and you all of a sudden blocked all these positive energies which were coming towards you, and you somehow get involved in some kind of a fight or argument with people around you. In the coming future we have 2 of Wands, Page of Wands and the World. So you are in a very different direction. I'm going to clarify all this thing in detail, but in the future energies also I'm going to see it in detail, what exactly they are telling us. Okay, so tell me more about the Four of Cups energy in the overall. Why this Four of Cups energy is here? Lovers, 10 of Wands and Wheel of Fortune. So there has come up a time all of a sudden, when the wheel has changed. It looks like that the wheel has turned. The wheel is not in your favor. The fortune is not in your favor right now. All of a sudden you are surrounded by so much of struggles around you, so much of responsibilities, and you might be having like a lot of work pressure, family pressure, love pressure and everything, and you are just going down and down and down because of all that things in your life at present. So yeah, okay, so I want to check The Six of Wands energy in the past. I want to see whether the things happened because of this appreciation. Because, well, this is something which is affecting the present. So, yeah, this is definitely something. Things were like, you enjoyed a new, you started something new. With the World and the Fool both in the same energy. So, this is something which was ended all of a sudden, and you started a new life from something new. It could be a bad breakup in the past which ended and you entered into a new life, new love life also. It could be a new job which was like, all of a sudden you were at a very bad place, and you right now are in a position where, yeah, you got a new job, you got something new, all the new energies around you. But there was something which you were not able to see, or you were ignoring that situation in the past. Okay, so I see that you were not unable to see that situation. You were more you were ignoring something in the past. I want to see what exactly this thing is. Why the Two of Swords is here? What is the meaning of Two of Swords in this reading? Nine of Swords, Seven of Pentacles, and Six of Pentacles. Might be there was somebody around you who felt that, the recognition or the appreciation which you got at that place, or someone who you got, like, like you were in a love relationship or in something. So the person you got was not meant to be yours. Somebody felt that. Somebody was in a state of depression, anxiety, and, ill health. And that is why you were not able to see that thing, or you were not able to see somebody around you who really loved you, who was like a friend to you at certain level. And then all of a sudden, there was like a betrayal, not a betrayal, like ignorance kind of an energy from your side. This could be vice versa as well, so please take as it resonates. But yeah, this is definitely a situation where a person felt incomplete, a person felt that I deserved that person, or I deserved that place in which the Sagittarius is at. Or you might be feeling the same thing for a person, but I feel that your energies are quite positive in the past. So it was you who were happy, who actually enjoyed the fruits of the labor, because I really feel that there was a stable beginning and a stable start of something. You got, like, all of a sudden things happened good, like from the Ace of Pentacles to the Ten of Pentacles, from 1 to 10. So you got, all of a sudden you got everything in a situation. Yeah, and somebody got jealous of that situation. Somebody was that, and because of that, fight started now. Because of that jealousy thing, because King of Swords energy is here, might be dealing with a Libra, but there is somebody who is jealous because of you. Tell me more about the Five of Wands energy in the present, please. Nine of Pentacles, the Tower, and High Priestess. So this is definitely somebody who is dealing with some sort of magic or something, where somebody is trying to connect with you, or somebody is trying to harm you, and you are feeling that thing, that somebody is harming you from outside. These are some external sources which are harming you, and which are actually destroying the hard works which you have done for yourself. Because I personally do not see anything negative in the past, because this is like fruits of your labor which you got. You did that work, you got the rewards for that thing. I don't see anything negative, but it's more like somebody else's negative energies which are influencing your present life. And it's like you do not want to deal with this person, or you do not want to deal with that situation, but somehow you are ending up again and again, you're ending in some kind of a fight with your family, with somebody whom you love, because this is definitely something which is not happening good around you. You want to be fine, free, you want to be happy, you want to be independent, but it's like too many people in the same place all of a sudden, and you start to fight with these people, or come in an argument with someone over here. Let me clarify the King of Swords energy, please. Please tell me more about the King of Swords in the present, who this King of Swords is. Four of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, the Moon could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Leo and Pisces, Cancer as well. So a Libra. But this is in regards with some lady as well, with love situation. Something is hidden in this situation. You might be not able to see this, but this person is not letting go of the loss which they have suffered because of you, or it could be anything, because somebody is blaming you for their losses over here. Yeah, somebody is definitely there, and they do not want happiness for you. I don't know what I am getting these vibes. I generally do not get. I generally get love vibes, but this is something which I'm getting today. I'm not sure what this is. I think you might be able to resonate it, but let's see. Tell me more about the Two of Wands in the future energies, please, for my Sagittarius. Page of Wands, Chariot and the Eight of Pentacles. I see you are working, you are starting to work again, Sagittarius. It's some kind of a passion or some kind of a, inner spark in you, which is which is motivating you to start it again. No matter whatever is happening in your life, no matter if things are not going the way they should be, or no matter the things are going wrong way, you should keep on working. You should keep on investing your work, your hard work and your time and energy into something which actually means a lot to you, because you want to go forward. There's no time to look backward now. Okay, Sagittarius, because of the Page of Pentacles, Page of Wands again in your future energy. So I'm definitely getting a vibe of strong, passionate energy of a Sagittarius, because this is a Sagittarius energy. All of a sudden, being energetic, all of a sudden being enthusiastic, like wow, let's start something new again. So somehow you might be feeling little low right now, but these low energies will not be remaining very low for a long period of time. I don't see that happening, because I see good times coming towards you. This is coming with lots of fire and lots of spark in you. You will be getting that zeal inside you to work hard. You might be becoming very busy in the coming future. You might not be right now, but yes, this is definitely your energy, being busy, being covered with responsibilities, but still being happy, because you are actually understanding the laws of nature, the laws around you, and you are getting it, that whosoever this person is who is trying to make you feel low is going to end. This is that energy in you which is making you feel happy. Tell me more about the world energy in the coming future. Nine of Cups, Strength and Four of Swords. Wishes being fulfilled with lots of confidence and lots of peace and patience, because it's you who is going to decide things. You might be taking some rest for yourself. I see you are working hard in your work. You are working hard for your pentacles, money, everything. You will be busy, but at the same time you are resting. So basically the universe is trying to tell you, no matter how hard you are working in your life, no matter whatever you do in your life, always take out some time for yourself. Always take out some time for yourself to sleep, to rest, to calm down, to just be you. Okay, so this is very beautiful energy which I got for you, Sagittarius, today. So I'm going to take out 3 cards for you from my Angel Answers Oracle cards. So just think of a question and I'll take out 3 cards for you, and just see whatever resonates with you. 3 cards for my Sagittarius, please. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. One is listen to your intuition. answer is no to your question and not the right time. So this is a no from the universe. It's not the right time to think of that situation, whatever you are thinking or whatever you are asking about, because you need to listen to your intuition. You might be not listening to it. So this is the answer. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Sagittarius. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.